It's really my beard that stops me, you know. If I didn't have this thing, it could be lightning fast. I don't think we're gonna need those. Final quarter. It's a juicy burger.
Why did a cheeseburger get into a fight with a veggie burger?
Why?
It had beef.
You know, like, people are already pretty negative about you two in the comments. You don't need to add to it. Is there any chance I could get, do you have Diet Coke? Thank you very much. It's alright, you don't have to run. It's cool. Thank you.
You've got this man 4 minutes to beat Randy. World champion, let's go. So you've got 1 minute left to beat you by a minute. So 1 minute means 20 minutes.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Right. Is that good? I have to wait here for 1 hour now.
Yes.
Yeah, do you have a dessert menu?